Hector "Hex" Rodriguez, CEO and owner of OpTic Gaming, is, to some, a dog whisperer, an avid fisherman, and a graffiti artist. But in esports, he's better known for changing the world of team and player content and creating what can only be described as an esports-influencer faction. After leaving his job as an insurance account analyst at AIG and founding ad agency Eon Interactive, Hex took over the reins of OpTic Gaming in 2007. Concentrating on players and content above everything else while winning in the process is what has made Hex and OpTic Gaming fan favourites for so many years. Hex changed the rules of engagement for everyone, rallied casual gaming fans to the forefront of esports and into the largest fandom that exists even still to this day. He even had a hand in creating some of esports' biggest stars such as Nadeshot Haag and Seth Scump Abner. Hector and his entourage broke boundaries and all expectations with a New York Times bestseller in 2016, giving fans and outsiders a look behind the curtains of one of the most popular and exclusive groups in gaming. With the support of the GreenWall, Hex is an inviolable optimist and bringer of happiness to all those around him. A content kingmaker, Hector "Hex" Rodriguez is, without a doubt, one of the few we all wish we had by our side in anything